Welcome to Hacks Info channel. Today we discuss about some Windows hacks. So let's get started. If you don't like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Basic shortcuts you must know. Control plus C is equal to copy. Control plus V is equals to paste. Control plus X is equals to cut. Control plus Z is equals to undo. Control plus Y is equals to redo. Control plus A is equals to select all text. Alt plus F for close current window. Alt plus Tab switch between open windows. Windows plus D show hide desktop. Windows plus L lock your PC. Control plus Shift plus ESC open Task Manager. Windows plus E open File Explorer. Windows plus I open Settings. Windows plus R open Run Dialog. Windows plus S open Search. Windows plus P project 2-second screen. Windows plus arrow keys snap windows left right maximize and minimize. Windows plus tab open task view. Windows plus control plus T create a new virtual desktop. Windows plus control plus left right switch between virtual desktops. Windows plus M minimize all windows. Windows plus shift plus M restore minimized windows. Control plus backscapes delete whole word writing. Control plus left right arrow move between words. Control plus shift plus arrow keys select text word by word. Control plus home or end jump to top or bottom of the document. Windows plus shift plus S take a screenshot sniping tool. Windows plus V access clipboard history. Windows plus V access and alt enter view file properties. F2 rename or file or folder. F5 refresh page or a window. If you like the video, subscribe the channel